Hello, welcome back to Eureka channel. Now we want to discuss about the current condition that is about COVID-19 in Indonesia, and then we want to relate it with mathematics, especially in presenting of data. Before it, did you know what is the coronavirus disease or COVID-19? COVID-19 is the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. This new virus and disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. But now, coronavirus disease spread till in our country, that is in Indonesia. But the government and the medical personnel always try to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia. Now we already have the data of patients that positive COVID-19 in Indonesia in March 2020. This data shows the patient that positive COVID-19 from 1st March until 31st March 2020. We want to present this data in the line chart and bar chart. Before it, let me know what is line chart and bar chart first. Line chart. Line chart is a type of chart or graph which shows information when a series of data is joined by a line. In a simple line graph, we plot each pair of values of order pair x, y. Here, the x-axis denotes the various time point, or t, and the y-axis denotes the observation based on the time. And we want to present the previous data that we have, that is about the positive COVID-19 in Indonesia, in the line chart. This is the line chart about positive COVID-19 in Indonesia, especially in March 2020. The x-axis shows that the date from 1st until 31st March, and the y-axis present the total patient of positive COVID-19. We know that the line chart is increased. And next, we want to know what is the bar chart. Bar chart can be defined as a chart or a graphical representation of data, quantities, or numbers using bars or strips. Bar graphs are used to compare and contrast numbers, frequencies, or other measures of distinct categories of data. The graphs can be plotted vertically, as you can see in the picture A, the bar standing up, or maybe in horizontally, as you can see in the picture B, bar laying flat from left to right. But the most usual type of bar graph is vertical. In vertical bar chart, the horizontal axis represents the categories, and the y-axis or the vertical axis represents a value for those categories. Now, we want to present the previous data that is about a patient that positive COVID-19 in Indonesia into bar chart. First is presenting data in vertically bar chart. This is a bar chart about positive COVID-19 in Indonesia in March 2020, based on the data that we have. The x-axis shows the death, and the vertical axis shows the total patient. And the next, we want to present the data in the horizontally bar chart. Opposite with the vertically bar chart, the x-axis in the horizontally bar chart shows a total number of positive COVID-19, and the y-axis or vertical axis shows the death. from 1st until 31st March. Clear from the presenting data in the line chart or bar chart, we know that positive COVID-19 in Indonesia always increase. So, we should prevent the spread of COVID-19 in Indonesia. Here, Eureka has 6 steps to prevent COVID-19. First is clean your hands often. Second, stay home if you are sick. Third, wear a face mask if you are sick. Fourth, cover coughs and sneezes. Fifth, consume nutritious food. And last, reducing contact with pets. And don't forget to keep social distancing. If you want to know more about COVID-19 in Indonesia, you can go to the official website in www.covid19.go.id. Thank you.